Well, hello family. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make an easy lotto bouquet / basket. I will also share with you the event that I took it to and who won the basket. And with that being said, keep watching. For the lotto basket, you will need a small plastic planter or container, a small round piece of foam, tissue paper in green or other color or design, 15 skewer sticks, 15 lottery tickets of your choosing, a glue gun, and 5 to 6 small glue sticks.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud 9. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do the remaining off camera. Okay, about 5 glue sticks later, 15 skewers and 15 lottery tickets later. These glued. You might use fewer glue sticks if you have large glue sticks, or if you put a less amount of glue. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready to put in the foam and start getting these in along with the tissue paper. And under here is the round piece of foam. Just gonna go ahead and And by the way, I did put the hot glue at different lengths as far as the skewers. That way it'll have a little variety when I stick them down in there. Of course, you know, I could do that anyway, give it some variety in height, but I do glue them at different heights. See how it's gonna look? Starting to imagine it now. I'm gonna kind of wing this next part. Here's my tissue paper. I'm gonna just kind of wing it and stuff it down in there, and then I'm gonna put the scores in it once I've got the tissue paper in. So here's my tissue paper. Put that in there. However you want to do it, keep distance if you want to do yours with. I'm just kind of winging this part. Okay. All right. So that's about how it's gonna look. I think I'll go ahead and put the other two in too. I think I'll go ahead and put some hot glue in the bottom. Yeah, I will. This wasn't planned, but I'll put some hot glue under the tissue paper and make sure it will stay pretty good. Although I think it'll stay just because of the skewers. What y'all think? Yeah, let's just